Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show how you can download Clickup on your computer. So what you want to do is just go clickup.com/download, and here you're gonna see access Clickup from everywhere, and you're gonna see apps for all your devices. So you see download for Mac, download for Windows, click download for Windows, and then what you have to do is simply click open desktop. So you just saw a black screen because it asks for administration. So what you have to do is easily to just download it for Mac or Windows or Linux. You click on it, you can have installation, Control G, click up download right here, and you just have to click on it, right? That's it. It's really simple. And now you see we got it. So what I will do, I will just sign in here. Give me a second. And voila, here you got it. So this is how we do it. And now this is just my app in right here. So if you can have any questions, ask down in comments, guys. But this is pretty much it, how you can download Clickup. Right? So, yep. Have a great day, guys, and goodbye. See ya.